Working in the fireworks industry can be an exciting career choice, but it also requires a strong understanding of safety procedures and legal requirements. Here are some steps to help you get started in the field. Research the industry. Learn about different types of fireworks, their chemical compositions, and their effects. Understand the various roles within the industry, such as pyrotechnicians, display operators, designers, and manufacturers. Obtain the necessary education. While there is no specific degree required to work in the fireworks industry, having a background in chemistry, physics, or engineering can be helpful. Some companies may offer on-the-job training or apprenticeships to help you gain the necessary skills. Acquire licenses and certifications. Depending on your location, you may be required to obtain licenses or certifications to work with fireworks. In the United States, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives, ATF, regulates the fireworks industry. Check your local regulations to determine what licenses you may need. Gain experience. Start by volunteering at local fireworks displays or working with a professional fireworks company as an assistant. This hands-on experience will help you build your skills and gain a better understanding of the industry. Develop a safety-first mindset. Fireworks can be dangerous if not handled correctly. Familiarize yourself with safety procedures, regulations, and best practices to ensure that you and your coworkers are protected. Network with professionals. Attend industry conferences, join trade associations, and connect with other professionals in the field. This will help you stay updated on new developments, techniques, and opportunities. Stay updated with technology. As the fireworks industry evolves, so do the tools and techniques used in creating and launching displays. Keep yourself updated with the latest innovations and equipment to stay competitive in the field. Consider specializing. As you gain experience, consider focusing on a specific area within the fireworks industry, such as design, manufacturing, or display operation. Build a portfolio. Document your work and achievements, including photos, videos, and descriptions of projects you have completed. This will help you showcase your skills and expertise to potential employers or clients. Look for job opportunities. Apply for positions within the fireworks industry, such as display operators, pyrotechnicians, or design and manufacturing roles. As you gain experience and build your network, you may also have opportunities to become a consultant or start your own fireworks company.